Hey there beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. It's Sophia here. We're gonna go ahead and get started with this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get started and we're gonna start filling in our brows. Alrighty, now we're gonna go ahead and like conceal them, you know, make them real sharp with the LA Girl concealer. I love this concealer to clean up my brows. I love it. And then we're gonna blend it out. Alright, I also like to prime my eyelids with this concealer. I mean, heck, on a budget, hello. Alright, I like to take a white shadow just to set that concealer on our eyelid so it does not crease and so the other shadows could go on nicely. So I just take any white shadow, you can use any other. Alright, we're going to use the Beauty Creations TSB palette. I love this palette, it's great. And start off with that pink shade, girl. Yes. That's going to be one of our many transition shades we're going to be using today. Alright, moving on to the next. It's a little bit darker, but still in the pinky family, you know what I mean? Alright, now we're going to take that more of a taupey, but still kind of in a pinky family. It's a really nice color and we're just kind of deepening that crease. I just took those two colors and blended them into the crease to give it even more definition. Okay, moving on to the next one. It's definitely more purpley and deeper than the others, and of course that's going to work as well to deepen it up. There's a lot of colors that I'm using and it's all part of the process. Some people find it worthless, like, well, not worthless, I mean kind of pointless to use so many colors, but I like to mix so many colors so that it could look nice and blended at the end. Alright, that's how it should be looking by now. I'm going to go ahead and spritz my brush with some water and then take that super beautiful shade that's like my favorite color in the whole palette. I love it, I love it, I love it. And we're going to go ahead and kind of cut our crease with it, just a half cut crease, you know. Oh my god, look at how beautiful that color is. I love, 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 love this color. Alright, now that we're done with that, I'm going to take some glitter primer and just putting a little bit on the eyelid and then taking some Beauty Creations glitter. It's so beautiful and shiny, and it's not even a lot of glitter. I just wanted to give it a little bit of a pop, and I'm just going to tap it on my eyelid so that it can look a little bit more shiny. Alright, now it's time to go to mascara. Just cut the lashes real quick because we're gonna go falsies anyway. Alright, these are my favorite lashes. I get them from Cute, the app Cute, and they're super cheap. They're like $5 for like a pair of 6, and they're amazing. I love them. And then I'm using the Dual Glue, one of my faves, and just, you know, glue those suckers on. Okay, we're done with the eyes, and now moving on to the face. I like to spray some Mario Badescu spray just to give my face some hydration after like all that it has gone through. And then using the Benefit Professional to, you know, blur my pores out, what the hell did I just say? And prep my skin for some foundation. And my favorite foundation at the moment is the LA Girl foundation. I love this foundation. It's super like full. It has a great coverage, and it's like not even matte. It's not too illuminating. It's just like the perfect consistency. I like to take some of my foundation and just clean up the top of my eyebrows because I don't like doing it with the concealer, only because it leaves a white cast around my eyebrow and I don't love that. So I use my foundation so that it can match my skin color. And moving on to concealer, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape, the best of the best, and just, you know, putting it where I need it, the forehead, the nose, and, you know, under my eyes, of course, the most needed part of everything. Using some Coty Airspun just to set my face on the quicks. I don't love baking because I feel like it leaves me super dry, especially under my eyes. I don't love it. I have combination skin, so it does leave me somewhat dry under my eyes, but I am super oily in the T-zone. So, and I just like to put enough powder, but I don't like baking at all. Alrighty, now we're moving on to some bronzer, with a bronzer, and just gonna go ahead and contour face so we can look a little bit skinny, you know, a little bit skinny. Taking a smaller brush to contour my nose to snatch it up, you know, make it look like I can't breathe in anything. Alright, and now after after this, I'm gonna add some blush on my little cheeky cheeks. I like to add some on my nose just to make it a little bit more natural. I feel like on the nose, it makes your face look more natural. I don't know why, it just does. Alright, now we're gonna move on to the lower lash line. We're kind of gonna use almost the same colors, I guess, just most of the darker ones, and just blend them on the bottom so that it can look nice and spread it out. And taking some of my favorite color in the palette, which was a shiny color we put on our lid in the inner corner, just to like blind, and setting our face. Well, not setting our face yet, just kind of bringing back life with the Mario Badescu spray. And using the Wet n Wild highlighter. These are like the best drugstore highlighters, I think, in my opinion. They're super gorgeous. I love them. So yeah, you get the point, you know, just pretty much coat your whole face with highlight. Alright, now we're gonna set our face. And I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter. And I know you guys can't see anything, I'm sorry about that. But I'm using a ColourPop lipstick, and I'm just, you know, filling in my lips. And yeah, you guys, I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I hope you guys love this tutorial. Love you guys so much, and stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye.